This is the real life of a cabin crew. Super dry mom. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yuri. I am a cabin crew. So now we just landed here in Manchester. It's been a long night. I left Abu Dhabi like 3 a.m. 3 in the morning. It was supposed to be 2 a.m. and now in Abu Dhabi it's 12:57 in the afternoon. In Manchester it's 9:57 in the morning. So today for this layover, it's like a 24 hours layover, less, because we got delayed on ground in Abu Dhabi and they will not adjust the layover. They will not adjust the time for the layover here, so it will become lessen. So I don't have plans for this Manchester because before this Manchester I did a turnaround, Tel Aviv turnaround, and before Tel Aviv turnaround I did a Istanbul Turkey turnaround. So it was like just minimum rest. So for today, join me in this Manchester layover, just staying in the hotel. So let me show you first my room. So it's very bright. Let's see, when you come in the door, we have a cabinet here. Iron board hangers, and then you have the toilet here. There's me. And then, yeah, we have a bathtub shower. We have here coffee tea. This and this. We have some TV and of course my bed. We have some couch, tape, another chair and table, mirror, and the view. So first things first, I need to remove my makeup and I'll take a shower. Tapos ko lang mag-shower. Now, I will do my skincare. First, toner. Next is this one, Torten. Since super dry now, super dry sa aircraft, kailangan natin ng hydration. Forget the neck. And then this one is pang third bottle ko na ata. Then my favorite is this Donald's sleeping mask. Meron akong malaki nito nasa Abu Dhabi. So, pag sa layover, yung maliit lang dinadala ko. And then, for my skincare routine, iba-iba siya. Pag nasa layover, nasa bahay, and depende sa skin concern ko. Sa bahay, iba-iba. Pag feeling ko super dry ng face, iba yung ginagamit ko. Pag kailangan ng for pigmentation, iba rin. Yung katulad niyan, meron akong small dot here and here. Lalagyan natin siya nitong active. This is from Korea. So, super liit lang. Yan. Sleeping lip treatment. Dami akong After taking the shower and doing my skincare, now I'm going to eat. I don't want to order room service, so I have this one. This, I brought this, may ulam, and if kulang, yan. So this shirataki rice, lalagyan ko lang siya ng hot water. Yeah, maluluto na siya. Ito siyang hot water. Yan. This is the real life of a cabin crew. So, if nagtitipid or you don't like to order room service, yan. Usually, nagbabaon kami ng food namin. Or may makain kami sa layovers. But, on the layovers naman, we are paid with meal allowance. So, it's up to us if we want to use all of the meal allowance, if we want or not. So, yeah. Actually, ang nice ng weather to go out, but I don't have the energy talaga na umalis. And pag Manchester na din kasi ako before. Siguro thrice na. Pero nakalabas ako 2 beses. Yeah. Time to eat. This is the rice. Shirataki rice. See? Feels like that. Okay, time to eat. Malunood lang tayo. May free cookies pala dito sa hotel.
한 줄을 꼭 붙잡고 있다고. 대단한 척하지만
기왕을 지셨다고? 이런 엄청 내가 인간의 인내심을 간과했구나. 야 이씨.
I guess that you'll never know.
Nakagayak na ako guys. And wake up ko, pick up time na. So bababa na ako. We're going back to Abu Dhabi. Bye guys!